All right, let's talk playlists. You know, the kind that are so good your friends are always asking for the link? Well, today, we're going to break down exactly how to become a master music curator.
So, you're ready to build the perfect soundtrack for, well, everything? Awesome. But like any great project, it all starts with getting your tools ready.
First things first, let's set up your workshop. And by workshop, I mean choosing your music streaming service. This is going to be your home base, where you find all the music you'll ever need.
Okay, so you basically have two main options here. You can go free, but you're going to have ads interrupting your vibe, or you can go for a paid subscription, which means zero interruptions. It really just depends on what you prefer.
And here's a little pro tip for you. Almost every single one of these services offers a free trial, so you can totally test drive them before you commit any cash. It's the perfect way to find the app that just clicks with you.
All right, your workshop is all set up. Now for the really fun part, gathering your materials. Let's go find some music. So the search bar is basically your best friend here. Of course, you can search for a song or an artist, that's the obvious stuff. But did you know you can often find a song just by typing in a line of lyrics you remember? How cool is that? Just, always hit that preview button to make sure you've got the right version. Okay, you've found some killer tracks. Now it's time for the assembly process. This is where we put it all together and build your unique playlist.
Adding a song is super easy. It's just 3 steps. You find the song you want, look for that little 3 dots icon, tap it, and then just hit Add to Playlist. That's it. You're done.
Oh, and you've got to give your playlist a solid name. A good name is everything. Something like Study Zone or Weekend Energy instantly tells you what the vibe is, so you can find the right mood in a second.
Now, this is super important. The order of your songs really matters. You've got a couple of approaches. You could create a smooth flow, maybe starting with high-energy tracks and winding down to something more chill. Or you could mix it all up, jump between artists and genres to keep things totally surprising. There's no wrong answer here.
Okay, so you've got the fundamentals down. Now, let's talk about mastering your craft and really fine-tuning that mix with some next-level tools.
Have you ever been listening to a playlist and the app suggests a song and you're like, whoa, how did it know I'd like that? It almost feels like it can read your mind, right?
Well, it's not magic, it's something called an algorithm. Basically, it's a super smart program that acts like your own personal DJ. It's constantly analyzing your listening habits, what you play, what you skip, what you save, to figure out your taste and then suggest new music it thinks you're going to love.
But get this, you can actually train it. Every time you use that thumbs up or thumbs down feature, you're teaching the algorithm what you like and what you don't. The more you do it, the smarter it gets, and the better its recommendations become.
Here's another great little trick. Don't be afraid to hit that shuffle button. Seriously, it's the best way to make an old playlist feel brand new again and rediscover some of those awesome songs you might have forgotten about at the bottom of your list.
All right, you've built an amazing creation, but a great playlist isn't meant to be kept to yourself. Let's talk about how you can share it with the world.
Sharing is actually really easy. You can just send a direct link to your friends. Or if you're planning a party, you can create a collaborative playlist so everyone can add their favorite songs. You can even make your playlist public so other people can discover your awesome taste in music.
Okay, this is a really important tip, especially if you're on the go. Download your favorite playlists. Why? Because then you can listen to them absolutely anywhere, even without an internet connection, and this is the big one. It won't use up all your mobile data. And speaking of data, take a look at this. Streaming in high quality sounds incredible for sure, but man, it can chew through your data like crazy. Sticking with standard quality is a really smart way to save data, and honestly, it still sounds great.
So if you want to be smart about your data and your phone storage, here's the quick rundown. Use Wi-Fi whenever you can. In your settings, adjust the audio quality to standard. Only download the playlists you listen to all the time. And just, keep an eye on your storage space now and then.
When you really think about it, a playlist is more than just a list of songs. It's your personal story, told through music. So the only question left is, what story are you going to tell?